Jurong Bird Park, formerly known as Bird Paradise, popular tourist attraction in Singapore. Let me tell you some facts about the park. First, it is located Jurong, Singapore. Secondly, size of the park is over 20 hectares. Bird Paradise का मैप है. Visitors can see penguins swimming, playing, and waddling around in a simulated Antarctic environment.
At Penguin Cove, the sun runs wild in Singapore, where dreams are piled, waddling rhythm suits, trim sharp, dancing to the beat of their icy hearts. Flip, flop, slide, they make their mark. Penguins shining even in the dark.
So they fast for a month. When their new feathers have grown out, they return to the ocean.
Slide, they make their mark. Penguins shining even in the dark. A tropical twist on frosty souls, living it up where the freedom rules.
Third fact about the park is they have collection over 5,000 birds from around 400 species. Large covered areas where visitors can walk among free-flying birds. The park offers daily bird shows and demonstrations.
Tropical skies where the colors collide, feathers like rainbows that cannot hide. Curved beaks and talons, sharp as a blade, dancing on branches in daylight parade. Whistles and trills, their voices take flight, painting the world in a sound, pure delight. Oh Singapore, your birds take the crown. In this jungle, nature wears the gown. Whistles and trills, their voices take flight. In a sound, pure delight. Oh Singapore, your birds take the crown. In this job,
Crown pigeon है.
who wears the gown? Harmony sings in bird's paradise. There is no death. Scarlet ibis and the peacock's grace, weaving the magic, time slows its pace. A golden sun spills across emerald green. This is a kingdom where wonders are seen. Parrots debate while the hornbills reply. Kingfishers dart like tears in the sky. Wings open wide, freedom on display. In this sanctuary, hearts drop worldly